Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting to your Samsung Galaxy A17. Let's begin! So, I do have some Philips headphones right here and I have them connected even though it's not showing. You will notice that there is no Bluetooth indicator that we are connected to some sort of device. However, if you increase the control center, you will now know the truth with the Bluetooth icon on the top and the Bluetooth itself here telling me that I am indeed connected to Philips headphones. However, if it's not working for you for any reason at all, there are a couple of things you can do. First of all, just disable and enable the Bluetooth once again. So I have that now disabled the Bluetooth. I will wait for a couple of seconds and then I will enable it once again. And as you can see, we are now here and you can click to once again connect to our device if it, of course, is on. And this is the other part of the problem. Maybe it's not the phone that's the issue, maybe it's the device, maybe it's not connecting. And you want to make sure that it is indeed enabled. And most of the devices, no matter if they are the earbuds, the headphones, whatever, have some sort of power button. In case of these, we do have power button right here. The focus is kind of dead, but the power button is right here. So you want to make sure to press and hold it. And now I have turned them off, which means that if I would expand our control center, you will notice that we are no longer connected to that network. So let's try to press and hold the power button once again. We can hear a little sound. This means that our headphones are now on and they are automatically connected to our device. However, if for any reasons you still have troubles, we can press and hold our Bluetooth. Let's go into details. Now we can go into cogwheel and we can unpair our headphones here. So I have now unpaired them and we can just pair them again. In order to pair them again, let's simply disable our Bluetooth device. And now most of Bluetooth devices, I'm pretty doubtful that some other have other things, but all you want to do is just press and hold the power button for more than a couple of seconds. So technically we are now have it disabled. And now you will notice the little camera flashing. This means that our device is now in Bluetooth pairing mode, which means that we can go to scan it. And now, as you can see, our phone did detect our headphones, so we can just pair with them once again. And this is just more fancier way for me than to just say unpair and repair them. So I wanted to show you how to pair your device in case you don't know. However, if you have already done that, so if you have already restarted your phone, restarted the device, the Bluetooth device, and restarted the Bluetooth and every single else, I don't know what to advise you, to be honest. You can try to play a little diagnostic game. You can try to take your phone's friend or your family member friends and try to connect your Bluetooth device to their phone. If it's working, then that means that your phone is at fault. If it's not, this means that probably your device is at fault and it's just not working. And maybe you can fix it, maybe it has some warranty. To be honest, it's hard to tell. But if your problem is strictly software related, then this video should have helped you. And if it did, remember to like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.